What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the James River Send Part 3. We are at one of the locations from the last video, except we're going to be going the other way down the river and explore that area. Like I said earlier, this whole thing is about exploring new places, maybe catching some new species, along with bass. So I hope you guys enjoy, and hopefully we catch some fish. Stay tuned. We're going to adjust this. Start with the good old whopper plopper. See if that doesn't get the job done. This is the area where I caught that green sunfish in the last video. Just gonna send it over there. Right in the sweet spot. Alright, that was not good. God damn it. Please don't be the end of this. Okay. Yep. Not fun. Alright, so this rod is completely yeah, that's not what I wanted to do. This looks like a pretty good place. I was hoping to use a whopper plopper. Looks like we're just gonna have to make good with the good old square bill if I can get everything untangled. Oh, I need to figure out how to not tangle stuff up so much. Nothing following it. Oh, I caught a stick. You almost got that dude. Throw it back in slowly. There's 3 fish following it. They're right here. Do you see him right here? Yeah.
What the f?
I had control of it. Oh, there's a snake over here.
Okay.
Yeah, right down here.
Where?
It's going in. That looks like it's a northern water snake, but it's hard to tell. You see it? Pretty sure it's a northern water snake.
The dangerous one?
No, it's not the dangerous one. No. Dang it. Well, guys, I just fell in. There's obviously a deep hole because I went from being less than waist deep to chest deep. And yeah, that sucked. My GoPro was not in its waterproof console, so my GoPro is soaking wet. I turned it off as quick as I could. Hopefully it's not. That would suck. So yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen. I have my glide bait that's like 20 bucks stuck over there on something, so I'll probably just rip it off, break it off. So worst comes to worst, today we're down like a few $100. I've had a really my batteries got wet too. My phone's wet. Today's it's just terrible. Yeah, I don't know if the video is going to keep going or not, but we didn't catch anything, and I don't know. I feel like I've been in a little strut lately. So let's see if we can break this off. You don't see anything after this. We didn't catch any fish, so